Hello, my name is Parth Chetty. I'm in ACG 2021 and I'm here to show my Tableau project on CAT manufacturers sales. So here we can see is sales by year. So that's the sales revenue. We can see the revenue here and the years like 2019, 2020, and 2021. So and here is the total sales by output and quarters and their years. So it is the 2019, 2020 and 2021, and here we can see like the different quarters like quarter 3, quarter 4, quarter 2 and quarter 1. Same goes for both 2 years. And here is the revenue by category. This is the like material processing, medical, telecom, government R&D and others. And then we go to sales by product line. This is the single channel, low YT, high YT, and different product lines. And these are the top customers in sales in terms of sales revenue. And this is sales by division. So it's by years and by different countries. So like in this we can see Germany is the highest. In this we can see in this 2021 United States is the highest sales revenue. And then we go to sales by division map. So here we can see different countries are having their sales revenue by clicking on them like that. So here we go to the dashboard. Here we are gonna answer the 8 questions. So the first question was, what were the total sales revenue for the third quarter of 2020? So if we go to the sales for 2020 and it's the third quarter, so third quarter is gonna be 9142,297. And then we go to our second question, that is, what were the total sales revenue for medical category in second quarter of 2021? So we go to the medical category in 2021 to the second quarter. So second quarter is 2,226,246 and 190. So we now deselected and go to our third question. So our third question is, which product line has the highest sales in 2019 under material processing category? So in under material processing category, what's the highest in material processing? So we select material processing in 2019, which is the highest. So it's the we can see as the product line, we can see this is the all the like the numbers. So this one's the highest, the bulk YT, it's 2477608. Now we go to our fourth question. So the fourth question is, what is the top product line for Germany division in 2019? So we go to 2019 and Germany. So it's the low YT, that is 4209871. In 2020, which quarter has the highest sales in telecom category? So first we go to telecom category in 2020 under the UK division. So here we are going to choose the UK. So here we can see the third quarter is like 1526434. So that's the highest, right? Then we go to our sixth question, that is so what is the top customers in the fourth quarter of 2020? So 2020, and we select the fourth quarter here. So it's the Boyce Company, which is the highest, that is 223234. To our eighth question. If you were on the sorry, the seventh question, who is the top customer for Russian division in 2021? Here we select 2021 Russian division. So the top customer is the Sacramento company, and that is 345173. Now we go to the eighth question. If you were on the management team on CAT manufacturing, what overall strategies questions would you discuss the dashboard to help you? I think it's going to be the sales made by the company in different years and in different quarters of given years. And the second would be how much sales have been made in different divisions, and what are the top 10 companies in overall, and what are the product line which is more successful in different years, and how an alteration can a company make in the product line by looking to the past trends. That is all going to be my Tableau project. Thank you so much.